Hi, I'm Bob Sokol, Chief Technologist for the Web Industry Practice at Sun Microsystems. Welcome to the video version of the Blog of Bob. I'm coming to you today from the video blogging room at CEC in beautiful Las Vegas, the Paris Hotel and Casino. Today I want to talk a little bit about what's going on in the web group at Sun and a couple of new product announcements that we made today. So when you think of Web 2.0 and web as really as a services platform, it's really about building community. How do you leverage the web as a platform in order to drive innovation and drive communities and be able to take advantage of innovation wherever it might be? So, when you think about communities and you think about how they're being built on the web, it really gives people a place to gather. And Anderson's book, The Long Tail of Content, was really about how does somebody like Amazon make money with by leveraging what are in effect niche products and being able to take people's passion. And even though there's not a lot of volume for any individual product, in aggregate it adds volume to their overall revenue. And it's the same thing with the community, really, because Web 2.0 gives groups a place to gather where maybe they didn't have the critical mass in the past. And what that drives is really new rules for volume because of the aggregated growth in the communities, and it really has an impact on the traditional media. What this all boils down to is the new internet speed, right? It's life at web speed, and that helps dictate the business models, which requires the applications are developed quickly, deployed rapidly on the platform, leveraging frameworks and scripting languages to help build compelling user interfaces that people will want to spend time, come back, and grow their community and continue to develop a relationship. So as it becomes more successful, the growth becomes at times unpredictable, and you need to be able to manage that through your systems and your infrastructure. And today we've announced a couple of new servers that can help with that growth. So there are 3 new systems based on the Niagara 2 processor, the T5120, the T5220, and the Blade server, the T6320. They're all single socket systems with the Niagara 2 chip. They all have 64 threads in hardware, support a tremendous amount of memory, and they're truly system on a chip with built-in 2 10-gig Ethernet ports plus SSL acceleration. And that, coupled with the features in Solaris 10 to help take advantage of the threads on the chip, leveraging things like LDOM and zones, Crossbow for network virtualization, really help to manage that growth and drive what's happening in the system today. So for the last 25 years, Sun's really talked about the network is the computer and held to that as we've driven through the innovation and products that we bring to market. And today the network really is the community, and it's how do we support that, how do we help drive that, and it's going to be great to see what comes next. So I'm Bob Sokol, and I want to thank you for joining me here today, and thanks for listening.